In here, we are very particular about the details. In precision manufacturing, that's crucial. We are under constant pressure to get everything right, first time, every time. And now, finally, we can do that. We have that level of control. We have the power of the AI and our private 5G network. Irregularities are automatically detected and corrected instantly. So a minor weld imperfection, a hairline flaw, a small temperature change, the data moves in milliseconds between the robots, and we don't need to intervene at all or delay production. For us, that is critical. We just never had this level of capability before. So accurate, so fast, and so reliable. It's just never been possible. And now, we can meet our targets and minimize waste every single time. And that is incredible.